Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete a Roblox account. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. First, you want to come to roblox.com and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, at the top, it's going to show you roblox.com/home. Now, instead of /home, you want to write /support. Once you search for roblox.com/support, it's going to take you to the support section of Roblox. Now, once you're over here, your username is automatically going to be entered if you have logged in into your Roblox account. If not, you need to do it yourself. Then just enter your first name and then enter your email address. So I'm going to enter my email address over here, but you enter yours. And over here you need to enter your email address again to confirm it. So whichever email you typed at the top, make sure you write the same one over here. Now over here you want to select a device. Doesn't matter whichever device, just select one. Now from over here you want to choose this called data and privacy request. Once you choose data and privacy request, from over here you want to choose other privacy requests. Once you choose this, and at the bottom you want to write this: I would like my Roblox account deleted and the information removed from the platform, please. Once you write this, click on submit, and this problem will be submitted to Roblox, and Roblox will reply to you on this email, whatever email you typed over here, whether they want to delete your account or not. But most of the time after you write this, your account will be deleted. So that's how we guys can delete your Roblox account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.